You're stuck in a loop. Yeah, the same habits, the same mistakes, the same promises you keep breaking. You say, I'll stop tomorrow. Then tomorrow comes, and nothing changes. So let's be honest. You're not confused. You're not unlucky. You're repeating a pattern. And until you break it, your life stays the same. So let's fix it. First, understand why it keeps happening. Your brain loves repetition, not because it's smart, but because it's efficient. Once you repeat something enough, your brain turns it into a shortcut. So now you don't choose your behavior anymore. You default to it. Scrolling, procrastinating, going back to the same people. It feels automatic because it is. That's the loop. Second, your autopilot is running your life. Most of what you do every day, you don't even think about. You just react. You feel bored. You scroll. You feel stressed. You avoid. You feel uncomfortable. You escape. No decision. Just reaction. And the more you repeat that, the stronger the pattern gets. So if you want to change your life, you have to interrupt that moment. That one small moment before the habit takes over. Third, identify your pattern clearly. Don't say, I just get distracted. That's vague. Be specific. I pick up my phone every time I feel uncomfortable. I avoid work when it feels hard. I go back to the same people even when I know better. Clarity matters. Because you can't fix what you won't define. Fourth, find the trigger. Every pattern starts somewhere. Boredom, stress, loneliness, a specific person. Something always comes first. And once you notice that trigger, you catch the loop earlier. That's where your control begins. Fifth, replace the reaction. Don't try to change everything at once. Just change what you do in that moment. When the trigger hits, do something different. Something small. Stand up. Drink water. Move your body. Take a breath. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be different. Because breaking the pattern starts with interruption, not perfection. Sixth, expect to mess up. You will fall back into old habits. That's normal. The mistake isn't falling. The mistake is staying there. Don't turn one bad moment into a full relapse. Catch it. Learn from it. Move forward. Immediately. Not next week. Not next month. Now. Because delay is how the loop survives. Seventh, change how you see yourself. This part is deeper than habits. Because your actions follow your identity. If you keep telling yourself, I'm lazy, I always mess up, this is just how I am, then your behavior will match that. So shift it. Not fake motivation, but something real. I'm becoming more disciplined. I handle things faster now. I don't avoid anymore. You don't need to fully believe it yet. You just need to start acting like it. Because identity builds through action, not words. Now listen. You don't rise because you want better. You change because you act differently, consistently. That's it. No shortcuts. No magic reset. Just small interruptions, repeated until the pattern breaks. Because your life right now is just a collection of repeated behaviors. And if you don't change those, nothing changes. Same days, same habit, same results. So the real question is simple. Are you going to interrupt the loop or keep living inside it? Because no one is coming to break it for you. And the longer you stay in it, the harder it becomes to leave. So start now. Not perfectly. Just differently. One moment at a time. Because that's how the loop ends. That's your everyday reality check. Insight isn't optional, it's necessary. Subscribe to Everyday Reality Check because someone had to say it.